What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the BK5475HYD-TK. This is going to be our hydraulic kit for a 3,500 pound axle with Timken bearings. See right here, this is the box you get it in with our logo on it. Got two smaller boxes in here that'll hold everything down nice and neat. Keep it from moving around. Pull our smaller boxes out. See right here, we got our true ride hub and drum with our 1/2 inch zinc coated studs. And the way we measure this bolt pattern is we'll go from stud to next closest stud, and that'll be 2 3/4 inches. You can see right here we have a race on the outside and a race on the inside already pressed in. And we have our backing plates for our hydraulic brakes. See the pistons already in there. And the way we'll do left and right on these brakes is we can see this piece right here. This will be pointing towards your truck. We'll come over here, pull our small parts out. We have our other hub and drum, our other backing plate. We can see with this kit we're going to get 2 hub and drums, a left hand and a right hand backing. And we'll pull our bearings out here and we'll get a set for each side. So we can see we have our Timken bearings. They're in the Timken box. They're printed with Timken on it. They're made in the US. These outers are going to be the 44649s, and these are just going to pop in right there. And our inner bearings are going to be the 68149s, and they're just going to pop in right there. Get those. And then we're going to get 2 seals, 1 for each side. Let's see right there. And with these seals, you're just going to pop your bearing in, and you're going to pop your seal on right behind it. Then we're going to have our lug nuts. We're going to get 10 of these. We're going to have our mounting hardware for the backing plates. We're going to get 8 studs, 8 nuts, and 8 washers. And then with these, you can see you'll just pop the stud through, pop it through the plate on the axle, put your washer on, and pop your nut on. You can see as well back here we have your connects for your hydraulic line. And we're going to have 2 castle nuts and 2 cotter pins. So we'll see right here, a lot of people won't send you the cotter pins. We like to make sure you guys get everything you need for your application. So you'll pop your castle nut onto your spindle, pop your cotter pin through, hold it on there nice and neat, and then you're going to get 4 grease caps. And the reason that you'll get 4 is you can see that this has a hole in it, this one does not. This is for your easy lube spindle, and this is for your regular spindle. With these, you're also going to get a rubber cap and your tang washer. You can see the rubber cap's already installed on this one. And then for this one, you're just going to get your regular spindle washer. And then for these grease caps, you'll pop your outer bearing in, and then you'll just pop your grease cap right on. So that's it, guys. Pretty simple stuff. Thanks for watching. That was the BK5475HYD-TK.